Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been so long, I've been real busy, but yeah, welcome back. Today we're gonna work on the truck a little bit and give you a few updates. So this is our new shop. This is my brother's garage, and this is where from now on we'll be working on my truck. So this is the new bed I got. So this will replace the old bed with this one. It's not in amazing shape, but it's in pretty good shape. But there's just a little bit of rust and stuff. We'll have to clean up off of it, but it's not too bad. And then over around here is where I have my truck parked right now. There it is. So we're gonna move it out of this bay and back it in right here so we can work on it. Alright, we got her in the garage. Alright, let's start tearing this bed apart. Let's get this out of here. Let's get this tailgate off. Oh. That was quicker. Got the tailgate off. All right, next I'm gonna take the tail lights out. Oh boy, these screws are stripped. There we go, got that. All right, I was able to get them out. Take these suckers out and get this tail light off. Screws are out. Pop the cover off. Alright, I got the bulbs out of there. Now I'm gonna run the bulbs back through there so they're out of the way of the bedside so I can take that off without pulling any wires or anything. Okay. Attached to the I was doing this other side. Look, this has got a bee's nest too. That's pretty cool. Okay, gotta get some of these bolts out so we can get this thing off. got the bed sides off. Right now, we're working on getting the bed floor off. Oh man. Well, we got the bed off. Sorry I didn't get a video of it, but yeah.